the learners who are looking to learn NX Open customization and programming. I have come up with a technology that can help you learn NX Open yourself. I mean, I have launched a chatbot, come NX Open Learning Assistant, who can help you learn NX Open via answering your questions related to NX Open programming and customization via a interactive chatbot. This is similar to what you know as ChatGTP. So I have trained this bot and helped this bot understand about the concepts and different topics of NX Open programming. And this bot can very well help you get answers to your various questions related to NX Open. You can even ask this bot for a reference code or example, and this bot will give you those kind of answers even. So let's see how this bot can help you. Let me ask a question. What are the references required to include in a Visual Studio project for NX Open program? And I hope that this bot will give me the required answer. To include the necessary references for NX Open program in Visual Studio, you need to add the following DLLs. It also gives me the long form for DLLs, dynamic link libraries. It has given those 5 DLLs: NX Open, NX Open.utilities, NX Open.uf, NX Open UI, and NX Open UI.uf. And it is also giving me the steps how I can go and include those references. Pretty good, right? So here you get a specific answer to your specific question. Let me ask another question. What is importance? Sorry, I have to get type in. What is importance of using NX Open UI.dll? NX Open UI.dll in a Visual Studio project. Let me see what I get out of this question. The NX Open UI.dll is important reference to include. This DLL provides necessary functionality for creating custom user interfaces. This is very, very correct. By including the DLL, we can leverage UI capabilities of NX Open to create interactive dialogues, menus, toolbars, and other graphical elements to enhance user experience of a custom NX Open applications. This allows you to create a seamless integration between your custom functionality and NX environment. Superb. Detailed answer I got, and this can definitely boost your learning, and you can speed up your learning by this learning assistant. Let me ask this learning assistant one more question. What is NX Open UI.uf.dll is all about? A very simple and clear question again. Let me see how I get the answer now. Based on the context, I am not able to provide detailed answer about the DLL. It's possible that document may not cover this particular DLL. It's possible. Sometimes you might not get the exact answer because the bot is not trained for that specific topic. But I'm taking the regular check on the bot, and I'm training this bot to make it more and more efficient. So that's perfectly fine. No need to worry about that. Exactly how every human being is not perfect, this bot is also not perfect. We have to refer to the uh, books or any uh, source references to validate and to find out the answers to few of the questions, and this is how we learn. So learning is a continuous process, and that also applies to this bot. Let me ask him another question. What is UFunk, and what are the important namespaces in it? I do have some spelling mistake as well here in this question, but let's see how it responds to me now. The document mentions that UFunk is an API was designed to support applications written in Fortran or C language. It is an older API that has been superseded by newer APIs, but it is still supported and widely used. The user function C API is known as NX OpenC API or the OpenC API, and it has also given some more detailed explanation about this, and this gives me a clarity about what UFunk is all about. Okay, so this is how you can make use of this learning assistant. This can give you the answers to your specific questions, which can help you learn faster, get the clarity on your answer questions faster, and move on onto your learning experience. So I recommend and encourage all of the learning aspirants to go through this learning assistant. Take maximum advantage of this and improve your learning and help yourself in short. Okay, so good luck and do use this assistant. How you can use this assistant? The link to register is given in a comment section.